Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Jeep Cherokee into neutral. First, ensure your vehicle is on a completely level surface to prevent any unexpected movement. Always engage the parking brake firmly before proceeding and make sure the engine is turned off for safety. Next, you'll need to access the shift lock release. Look for a small cover near the base of your gear shifter. Using a small flathead screwdriver or a similar tool, gently pry up this cover. This action will reveal the manual shift lock release button or lever underneath. Now, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. While pressing and holding the brake pedal, use a small tool, like a screwdriver or the key itself, to press the exposed shift lock release. Then, move the gear shifter into the neutral position. Once in neutral, verify that the neutral indicator light on your dashboard is illuminated. Carefully release the parking brake to ensure the vehicle can roll freely, confirming it's properly disengaged. Before you go, remember to check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, along with other great deals and helpful resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.